For founders running B2B sales, the hard part is not always the product. It's finding clients, replying fast, following up, and keeping the pipeline alive. Meet B2B Growth Kit, built to help your B2B business find, connect, and keep clients. You give B2B Growth Kit your business context and ICP once. Then every tool starts working from the same brain. Find is the first step. It helps you spot better prospects, understand them with AI, and move them straight into your CRM. With Find, you save the right prospects into your CRM with one click. Then AI helps you understand them better with deeper lead insights, buying signals, fit rating, and the best angle for outreach. From there, Connect helps you reply faster and smarter. Connect is not just an AI reply button. It understands the conversation, writes from your business context, matches your tone of voice, and helps you move the deal forward without leaving the inbox. Finally, Keep helps you stay top of mind. With Keep, you write better social comments and stay visible without sounding generic. AI reads the post, uses your business context, matches your tone, and helps you add the right comment in your own voice. Everything flows back into one dashboard: leads, replies, comments, reminders, activity, and strategy. One context layer connects every tool, so your sales workflow finally feels like one system. B2B Growth Kit, the AI sales kit for founders.